All about branding in online course. Branding in online courses is crucial for establishing a strong identity, building trust with your audience, and standing out in a competitive market. Here's all about branding in online courses. 1. Brand identity. A logo. Create a professional logo that represents your course or brand. Your logo should be visually appealing and memorable, reflecting the values and identity of your course. B. Color palette. Choose a consistent color palette that reflects your brand personality. Use these colors across your course materials, website, and marketing collateral to create a cohesive visual identity. C. Typography. Select fonts that align with your brand identity and are easy to read. Use these fonts consistently across your course materials to maintain visual coherence. 2. Course name and tagline. Choose a catchy and memorable name for your course that reflects its content and value proposition. B. Craft a compelling tagline that succinctly communicates the benefits of your course and resonates with your target audience. 3. Course website. Design a professional and user-friendly website for your course. Use your brand colors, logo, and typography to create a consistent brand experience. B. Clearly communicate the value proposition of your course on your website's homepage and provide intuitive navigation to help visitors explore your course offerings. 4. Course materials. Ensure consistency in the design and formatting of your course materials, including presentations, slideshows, worksheets, and handouts. B. Incorporate your brand elements, such as logos, colors, and fonts, into your course materials to reinforce brand recognition and identity. 5. Branded communication. Maintain a consistent tone of voice and messaging across all communication channels, including email newsletters, social media posts, and course announcements. B. Personalize your communication with students to create a sense of connection and foster engagement. 6. Community building. Foster a sense of community among your students by creating branded online spaces, such as forums, Facebook groups, or Discord servers. B. Encourage interaction and collaboration among students to create a supportive learning environment and strengthen your brand community. 7. Feedback and iteration. Gather feedback from your students regularly to understand their needs and preferences. B. Use this feedback to iterate and improve your course content, delivery, and overall brand experience. 8. Consistent branding across channels. Maintain consistency in your branding across all online channels, including social media, email marketing, and advertising. B. Ensure that your brand elements are recognizable and cohesive, regardless of where students encounter your course. By focusing on branding in your online course, you can create a memorable and compelling experience for your students, build credibility and trust in your brand, and differentiate yourself in a crowded market.